I always carry Teflon tape in my nail bag or somewhere close, so I have some. Okay, I hope I have enough. If I don't, I may have to go back to my place, pick some more up. Okay, here's that tape. I've showed you on other videos how to put Teflon tape on. Okay, but you want to put it on and kind of hang on to it. You want to go the same direction that you're going to screw it in. Okay, so when I pull it off, that same piece is going to tighten up in the fitting. Okay, you do it the very opposite. As you're tightening it, as you're tightening the fitting into the other end, you're actually loosening up the Teflon tape. Does that make sense? You don't want to do that. And see, I don't want to get it over that edge either. So I'm just going to go from that top edge on down, and I'm keeping pressure on here as I go. I'm putting a few spins on here. I never know how much to put on. I just put on 3 or 4 spins, whatever I feel like. Because see, if you get too much in there, it might not fit on your threads. The last thing you want is only to put on hardly any, and then you're not really getting a good connection, are you? Okay, I got enough on there. Pull that off like that, and just keep pushing that on there. You know. Okay, that's all ready to be put in. But before I do that, I mean, actually, I guess I could do it now. I probably should, because I don't want to mess up these. And I'll screw that on there, and then I'll hold this whole thing and do this one. Because if I do it now, it might get loose on there when I'm trying to tighten this up. You know, it'll probably be fine, but that's just what we're gonna do. Okay, so now I get to screw that in and see if it fits. Pretty sure it will.